So today we are going to talk about agent-to-agent protocol. So Google has recently launched. You can just see the date, April 9, 2025. So Google has announced this protocol because uh, people were facing lots of issues in communicating between agents, and there was no standard way of doing that. So Google has defined that and provided a protocol. And what is written here, because you can just go through this and read about that. It has also provided very good examples. If you go and see this particular website, you can go and check this particular website and check the specification draft here. So today I'm going to show you Windsurf's capability to read this particular documentation and create a real world example for you, as it has explained, let's say, candidate sourcing and all. So I'll just show you how Windsurf can read this particular document and create a sample or example for you to how this particular agent to agent protocol can be implemented with Node.js or Python. So we'll just go and do that on Windsurf. Okay, now we have Windsurf. So I'm going to ask this Windsurf to read the particular documentation and create a protocol based example. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so let me provide the prompt. So the prompt will be very simple because it is using Cloud 3.7. So it will understand everything. It can also get the content from that. So I'll just tell Windsurf, and it is on the fly. I am going to tell. It is not that I have written somewhere else. So use this link to create an example project which showcases the capability the showcase communication between two agents with the diagram language and check out the code from the website where similar example is created. So let me copy this particular project, and there is a demo, and it will go down and create the whole project for you. Okay. Projects, code experts, reference, code base is as follows. Okay, so it will take some time to generate that. Once it is generated, I will explain what are the things it is generating, and then how it is going to implement the whole protocol and give you the idea. If you guys are familiar with Windsurf, you can easily skip that and go to the next section where it has already created the project, and then you can work further. Okay, so I have to accept this so that it can create the folders. Okay, so first time normally it happens, it will reject the terminal command. So I will write Please run the terminal command. So it will understand now and it will again ask to accept the command. This time I will accept the command and then it will start creating the project. So if you see, it has created a example folder and then it has created src2. Now it has created the requirements folder where it will be adding all the dependencies, whatever is required for this particular project. And nice thing is it always creates a readme so that you can go and understand how the project will run, how the project will be started. All the help you require to understand that, create a sample project very easily, very fast, and then understand the nitty-gritties of that particular content, whatever is provided on the internet. And you can always create new project based on the previous project. So Windsurf is very good in doing that. It takes some time. You will also need an account there. Okay, so it also says that okay, create a environment. I can also create the environment by going to this part and create the environment. If the particular, so if you see Python create environment can be done from here also. But because it was asking me to create here, I have created a new environment through Cascade chatting tool only. So if you see, you can do it on your own also, but if you can spend the credits provided by Windsurf, then you can always run the terminal command. One good thing, it will always read that particular thing. If there is some error, it will recognize the error and try to fix that. So this is a good way of moving forward. Now it has done that, it is running the command. So let's see what it has done. So application is getting started. So this has created a process on 8000 port and it is waiting for the command to get completed. So now let's see if the project is started. Okay, now it is doing the requester agent. If you see here, it has started for the first agent, which is called executor agent. So if you see here, it has created executor agent, requester agent, and there is a base agent. This you see, if you see, it has created the example also. So it has created that example which does subtraction agent, and then it works that. I will keep it simple and then I will stop here. I will add this particular project created by Windsurf and I will ask for feedback from you guys. If you understood what can be done by Windsurf with whatever new thing which is coming into picture.